Joe, appreciate you, man. Personal box of 2014 Hot Rookies football for WeGoingSizzler. Good luck, my man. Hope it's good to you. Thank you again. Yeah, I'll send you whatever you want, man. If you want your base, I'll send you base too. But whatever. Keep all the base. Alright, so numbered hits, rookies. Cool, man. Blue inserts. Cool. I'll pretty much plan on sending you everything but the base then, but if there's any of the base stuff that you want, you know, certain players or whatever, just let me know. Damn, did you, Derek? Congrats, man. Good luck again, Mr. Sizzler, Kid Reporter. And your base. Alright, top 100 Arian Foster. Sick. Vincent Jackson. What? Number 83. What? Followed by Doug Martin. Sick box, man. Cool. Another Doug Martin. What? Scorecard Nick Foles to 99. You got a blue Jason Witten. Looks good on a Cowboys card. 25 to 79 on Witten. Looks like that's it for your base pack. Alright, man. Which one's next? The kind of fat pack? I don't remember. Alright, so this is your rookie pack, I guess. I don't remember how this stuff works. Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Logan Thomas. 54/99 Bruce Ellington. Scorecard to 99. Kyle Fuller. Jalen Saunders. Seferian-Jenkins again. Tevin Reese. Carlos Hyde. Mike Davis. And Dion Buchanan. So a rookie pack. Yeah, what are the hot packs? Like are they one a case? I haven't gotten any yet. Alright, here you go. These are your hits and starting some of your hits and some inserts. Franchise, CJ Spiller. Brothers in Arms, Bengals. Airmail, Jordy. Colts, Brothers in Arms, and your first hit, good luck, is Niall Davis. Future Franchise Fabrics. Niall Davis, one color. Got a little tiny bit of a flare right there by the T. And no numbering on Davis. But yeah, better than Joseph Randall. That's right. I've seen a lot worse. That might actually be the best one so far on the relic autos. The third one, wow. Hey, better than like Delaney Walkers and Chance Warmacks. Good luck, man. Here you go. This is going to be your hit stuff here. You got Dwayne Harris Cowboys inscription. 6 of 15. Cody Latimer. Damn. Not who I thought it was. Cody Latimer black to 15. And last hit is Panini points. 150. Yeah. Good old Panini points, 150 of them. So you did get the Latimer to 15. And Dwayne Harris. I guess Harris is not numbered. And the Niall Davis. Alright, Sizzler, sorry that was not a better ending to that. Appreciate you though, regardless, man. Sorry about that.